Welcome students in the lesson number 3 indices and cube root. Practice set 3.2 question number 1. Okay, if you observe this question, if you see this question in the textbook, this question is in the tabular format, but I wrote this in a different manner. Just see here, I wrote first two column in a first page and second two column in the next page, next ppt. Okay students, now see, one by one I will tell you the questions and answers. Already I explained you where you have to use the word power and where you have to use the word root. Okay, now see, now see students, already I told you that if the question is a raised to m upon n, suppose the question is like this, means what? A raised to 1 upon n and raised to m. Okay, means what? You can write like this also. There are two ways. In two ways you can write this format. If I wrote like this, a raised to 1 upon n raised to m, means what? This is the power, the number which is in the numerator, that is the that number, that for that number you have to use the word power. The number which in the denominator, for that number you have to use the word root. This concept you must know. If you know this concept, if you remember this concept, then it is very easy to remember and easy to write the answer of the given question. Now see, if you observe in this first question, there is 225 raised to 3 upon 2. Okay, in the power form, in the power place there is a number 3 and the root place there is a number 2. Okay, how you can write the answer of this question? Just see here, cube of square root of 225. If there is a 2, which word you have to use? Square root. You can't write second, third like that. Which word you have to use? Square root. Cube of square root of 225. This is, you have to write in the column of power of the root, and in the next column, that is the root of the power. In that column, how you will write? Square root of cube of 225. Square root of cube of 225. If you see in this question, power it comes first, means when you writing the question, the number which is in the power form, that you have to write first, and the second column the root word is first, means in this sum root, the number which is in the root place, that number you have to take first. Okay, it is clear to you now? I am telling you very easy method, student, to remember. Okay, now see, now second is what? 45 raised to 4 upon 5. Okay, now see here, I am explaining you here. How you will write the answer of this question, students? What I told you, in the power of the root column you have to write the answer, means in the power place which number is here? 4. In the power place which number is here? 4. For that you can't write 4 power of fifth root. You have to use the word fourth power of fifth root of 45. Fourth power of fifth root of 45 means the number which in the power plus you have to start the answer from that number. Here the question is from root, means which number is in the root form, students? 5. Already I told you, denominator in the root form and numerator in the power. Fifth root of fourth power of 45. Fifth root of fourth power of 45. Okay, it is very easy, student. Now see, 81 raised to 6 upon 7. Now see, students, the question started from power, and here the power, in the place of power, which number is here? 6th. Means the answer will be 6th power of 7th root of 81. And in the next column, how you will write the answer? Root form you have to take first. 7th root of 6th power of 81. 7th root of 6th power of 81. Now let's see the next question. 100 raised to 4 upon 10. Which number now you have to tell me? 4. In the power place means 4th power of 10th root of 100. And in the root, 10th root of 4th power of 100. The meaning of the both the column is the same, but the way of you are writing the answer is different, but the meaning is the same. 21 raised to 3 upon 7. Cube of, you can't use the word here third, you have to use the word cube. For 3 you have to use the word cube, and for the 2 you have to use the word square root. Okay, now 3. Cube of 7th root of 21. Cube of 7th root of 21. And in the next column you have to start from root. 7th root of cube of 21. 7th root of cube of 21. Here I told you very easy method to remember and how to write the answer, so that you can write the answer correctly and you will score the more marks. Okay. Thank you students for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button.